Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our database management system question set discussion series. Today we are going to discuss question set number 49. So let's get started. Here we have our description for question set number 49. And this is our first question. It says the school enters the data of installing this software. All school information is included in this software. The principal of the school informed us that the software had to be removed and reinstalled due to a virus in the computer. Imagine that you have chosen yourself for that. Here you can see that the database has to be backed up. To create a backup file, select the C partition. Use Ranabima SCHDB backup as the name of the backup file. Create the required backup query for this. In order to do this, first we need to create a new folder in C partition. After that, we can copy the folder path and then we can go into C partitions and then program files, mySQL, mySQL server 8.0 and then into the bin. After that, we can open the CMD from that location and then we can run this query in that CMD. So in this command, here we have said mysql dump. It's going to back up our database, and then here we have used -u, and then we have provided the username for our connection, and then we have inserted -p. It's for password. After that, in here we have given the database name. Because our database name is Ranabima SCHDB, in here we have inserted that. After that, here we have used this symbol. Then in here we have to insert the newly created folder path and then a flash, and then we have to rename the backup file. So this is the name for the backup file, and then at the end of that backup file we have to insert .sql as the extension. So let's go and create this database backup. To do this, first let's go into C file, C partition, and let's create a folder name database backup. Here we have our database backup folder, and then we have to go then we have to open the command prompt and let's go into search and let's type cmd, and then we can open, then we have to run it as run as administrator, and we have to run this as run as administrator. After that, we have to navigate this file path into our MySQL server 8.0 and then into bin. So to this, go to program files, then into MySQL and MySQL server 8.0, then into bin. So you can copy the file path from here, and let's go back into our command prompt and paste it here. After that, we can click on enter, and now our file path has been changed. So now we have to insert the command to backup our database. To do this, we have to enter that command we discussed. So after that, we can click on enter. Then we have to insert our connection password. Then we can click enter. After that, we can go into our C partition and let's go into our database backup folder. Here, as you can see, here we have our backup database. So guys, that's all for today. In our next video, let's discuss question set number 50. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.